Good afternoon. The famous person is Cristiano Ronaldo. The Cristiano Ronaldo is nationality Portuguese. He is very tall. He has brown eyes, short black hair, big eye eyebrows, long neck, big muscular leg. He has a fitness body. He's playing in a Asia team. He arrives listening to music the game. He has always eating with the family. The description clothes. He dressed up in elegant clothes, such as a blue suit, black shoes and tie, and a white shirt. His casual clothes are black shorts with shoes, a black coat, glasses, and a watch.